So continuing with the last lecture, we are seeing the property Laplace transform of integration, that is Laplace of integration from 0 to t ft dt equal to Laplace of ft and dividing by s. So let us see the further next examples. So Laplace of integration 0 to t e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt dt upon t. So here we have to find Laplace of integration. So we have to use this property Laplace of integration. So first step is comparison of LHS and then substitution in RHS. For before applying the property, any property, there are two steps, that is compare the given example with the LHS of the property and then whatever we get the values of ft, a value, put these values in the RHS of property, we get the answer of the required example. So after comparison of LHS and this example, we get ft value equal to e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt upon t, because 0 to t dt dt and the ft value is this function. So after comparison of LHS, we get ft equal to e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt upon t. So by comparison of LHS and given example, we get ft value. Put this ft value in RHS. So we get the required example answer. So its answer, required example answer is, that is put the ft value in the RHS of property. So Laplace of, required example answer is Laplace of ft value is this, e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt upon t and then upon s as it is. So comparison of LHS and example, we get ft value. Put this ft value in this RHS of property. After substitution, we get this answer, and this is your answer of required example. So this is equation number 1. So in equation 1, the numerator is unknown, that is we have to find numerator. Then we get the final answer of the given required example. So the numerator from equation 1 is Laplace of e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt upon t. So for having the Laplace transform of this term, there is a t which is in denominator. So we have to use division by t property for finding the Laplace transform of this term or this numerator. So division by t property is Laplace of ft by t. Division by t property is related to integration from s to infinity, Laplace of ft ds. This is your division by t property we have to apply for this numerator. So before applying this property, again same steps we have to repeat, that is comparison and substitution in RHS. Comparison by LHS and substitution in RHS. So compare this LHS with this, we get ft equal to this numerator. So by comparison upon t ft and this numerator. So we get ft equal to e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt. By left side comparison, we get this value ft value, and put this ft value here, we get s to infinity Laplace of e raised to minus at e raised to minus bt ds. So after putting this ft value in the RHS of that property, division by t property, we get this answer, and this is your answer of the e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt by t, that is numerator answer. So simplify this first. So before applying the integration formulae, first find the Laplace of this e raised to minus at and e raised to minus bt. So these are the standard formulae, diet formulae of Laplace transform. E raised to minus at Laplace is 1 upon s plus a. E raised to minus bt Laplace is 1 upon s plus b. Then take the integration. So 1 upon integration is, for that we have the original formula 1 by x integration is log x. So instead of x, there is a s plus a bracket. So we have to apply bracket formula. So 1 upon bracket integration is log bracket or log b upon derivative of b. So we have to apply this 1 by b integration formula for 1 upon s plus a. So log b, so log s plus a, b value is s plus a, upon derivative of b, that is s plus a derivative is, s derivative is 1 because x derivative is 1, so s derivative is 1, 1 plus 0, that is 1, minus 1 upon s plus b derivative, 1 upon s plus b integration is, again apply 1 by b integration formula, so minus log b, that is s plus b upon 1 because derivative of b, that is derivative of, here b is, b value is s plus b, so s derivative is 1, b derivative is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1 from s to infinity. Again for division by t property, if after applying the integration formulae, if we get the log terms, so for finding the answer, final answer, we have to first merge these log terms. So log a minus log b is log a upon log b from s to infinity. Then because if we keep these log terms as it is, and for upper limit infinity we don't get the answer, that is we get the answer as infinity answer, so the answer doesn't exist. So for having the answer for upper limit infinity, first merge these log terms, then take s common from this numerator and denominator, so we get, take s common, so 1 plus a by s, and from denominator take s again common, 1 plus b by s. These types of examples we have seen in previous lectures. Many examples we have seen, such type of examples we have solved in previous videos, so you can see these videos. So ss get cancelled, and after cancelling the s terms, then put the infinity and lower limit s. So for upper limit a by infinity, put s equal to infinity here. For upper limit infinity, a by infinity is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Then for b by infinity is infinity, so b by infinity, so 1 by infinity is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1. So log 1 by 1 is log 1. So for upper limit we get log 1, and for lower limit put s equal to s, that is there is no any change, so log 1 plus a by s, 1 plus b by s. So log 1 value is 0, so we get the final answer 1 plus a by s, 1 plus b by s. So this is the answer of this numerator, and this is your numerator from equation number 1. So numerator answer, this answer we have to put in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, equation 1 is your required example, Laplace of 0 to t e raised to minus at e raised to minus bt upon t dt is equal to, this is your numerator, and numerator answer is minus log 1 plus a by s upon 1 plus b by s upon s as it is. So this is your required answer of given example. Next example is Laplace of 0 to t cos at minus cos bt by t dt. This is the same example as we solved just now. So here again apply the Laplace of integration property. So here ft is your this cos at minus cos bt by t. So this is your numerator value, and for finding the Laplace of this numerator we are used here division by t property, and same formula we can apply as we applied for this example. So this is your homework example.